In this segment, we're going to talk about a couple different basic kinds of kitchen knives. As you see right in front of us here, we have 3 different ones. First, all the way on this side, we have your basic utility or kitchen knife or chef's knife. It has a straight blade, straight edge, very sharp right now. Right here in the middle, we have your basic serrated knife. You could refer to this as a bread knife. Basic purposes for this are bread, anything difficult to cut through. The serrated blade is going to make more of a tearing action than a clean slicing action, which is what this blade would be used for. Things like vegetables, red peppers, tomatoes can be cut very easily with this one. The final knife, all the way on the end here, again has the straight edge, and that's the fillet knife. If you notice the difference between these two, this knife has very little to no flexibility in it. This knife is more about the strength and ability to chop. Over here, if you take a look at the fillet knife, very easily bends. This allows for a greater amount of mobility